Gagawa ng isang story. Isang story na amin lang. Higit na natin ando. Tayo ay gagawa ng ating sarili. Isang makikilala. Sumasang-ayon pa kayo.
Ganun na po siya. Papatayo natin ang story at tatawagin ng isang pagkakas.
Kilala ko kayong mga tao para pagsilbihan ako.
Patawad, Panginoon, sa aming nagawa. Patawad, Panginoon, sa aming nagawa.
Ikakalat ko kayo sa iba't ibang lugar sa ating mundo upang hindi na magkaisa ang inyong mga pagsilbihan. Tumayo kayo at magpakarami.
Ano ba yan?
Para magsilbihan ng at magsambay.
Galing ko yung retainer mo. Kaya kami. Galing ako sa... Uy, saan matayo pa kami?
Magpakarami kayo.
Wala!
Ganun lang na pagbasyaan, papatayo natin ng tore at tatawagin ng ibang pangkat.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. So come on, you got it wrong. To prove I'm right, I put it in a song. I don't know why you're being shy and turn away when I look into your eyes. Everyone else up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell.